Good morning, dear learners. The theme of the lesson is my favorite sport for the 5th grade. Learning objectives are use of English, listening and writing. Assessment criteria. Learners have met the learning objectives if they can talk about sport. The next, read and repeat all these types of sport after me and remember in your mind. Types of sport: football, dancing, wrestling, breakdance, skating, ballet. It's a picture. Types of sport. Our new vocabulary: basketball, bike track, велосипед жолы, climb, өрмелеу, favorite, сүйікті, football, interesting, қызықты, individual, жеке, pair, жұп, sport, team, команда. Learners, please answer the question. Your task: students have to complete the given tables. Your descriptor: reflection, what I know, what I want to know, what I've learned. Thank you for your participation.